I've got 5 Japanese maples, but only one is going to become my next major bonsai project. Today, I'll show you all 5, tell you what I'm about to do to each one, and at the end, I'll reveal which one I've chosen and why. This is a coral bark or sangukaku variety Japanese maple. Purchased this 2 years ago. I performed 2 drastic chops at the top, but since then I just let it push out growth. This has a fantastic thick trunk and it has nice movement through the trunk, but at the moment it's just looked like a bush and far from a bonsai. So I got some big decisions to make on this tree. I'm not sure yet either on this one. This is my largest Japanese maple in my collection. It has a beautiful fat trunk developing and has fantastic root spread. I've laid this out on a board, so that's starting to develop really nice. But until I sort out this apex and the branch design, this is far from being a bonsai yet. I'm still not sure yet on this tree. Would you chop this trunk or just leave it? Let me know down below in the comments. Japanese maple Katsura, purchased last year in a poor state. This tree has lovely movement for the trunk, and it's back budded lovely since I harpooned this. But there's one thing stopping this from becoming a bonsai, and it's a slow level split in the trunk. I'm still not sure yet on the design of this tree. This is actually my partner's Japanese maple. This is another Acer palmatum green variety, purchased from Mazda approximately 4 years ago. It was nothing thicker than that, my finger, but now there's a good 60mm trunk they're developing, and it has great branch development all over this tree. But until I sort out this multi-trunk design, this is far from being anywhere near a bonsai. I'm still not sure on this yet either, unless if she lets me play with this. And finally, this is my Japanese maple Acer Sojo. I purchased this from eBay approximately 18 months ago. It arrived in a hell of a state again. Bad sunburned. The pot was in 4 pieces, so I just had to slip pot this and leave it alone. Pot it in this oversized basket and just leave it. This has a great trunk developing. It also has good branch placement, but it's still far from being a bonsai yet because there's no design there yet. The apex needs a lot of work, and until I remove this here layer, I can't make a decision on the actual design of this tree yet. So it's far from being a bonsai. As you can see, there's a lot to do with this Sojo. I'm still not sure yet, but this could be a contender. After looking at the 5, this is the one I'm going to build into a quality bonsai over a period of time. We'll make the first styling decisions next week, and I think a few branches are going to surprise you. I spotted major changes, but I'm saving them for the next video. I have a vision for this tree, but whether it works out or not, we'll soon find out. This is a brand new Japanese maple series. If you'd like to follow this and help me transform this from a tree into a bonsai over that period of time, please hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on. I hope you enjoyed my Japanese maple collection. We'll see you in the next video.